Hello students, today I'll discuss about the reference model of multimedia synchronizations, right? A reference model is needed to understand the various requirements for multimedia synchronization, identify and structure a runtime mechanism that support the execution of the synchronization, identify interface between runtime mechanism and compare system solutions for multimedia synchronization system. First, the existing classification and structuring methods are described, and then a four-layer reference model is presented used for the classification of multimedia synchronization systems. As many multimedia synchronization mechanisms operate in a network environment, we also discuss special synchronization issue in a distributed environment and their relation to the reference model. A four-layer synchronization reference model is shown in this figure. Each layer implements synchronization mechanisms which are provided by an appropriate interface. This interface can be used to specify and or enforce the temporal relationship. Each interface defines services, that is, offering the user a means to define his or her requirements. Each interface can be used by an application directly or by the next higher layer to implement the interface. Higher layers offer higher programming and quality of service abstractions. For each layer, typical objects and operations on these objects are described in the following, right? Basically, the semantics of the object and operations are the main criteria for assigning them to one of the layers. First, I will discuss about the media layer, right? At the media layer, an application operated on a single continuous media stream is treated as a sequence of LDUs. That means for single continuous media stream, media layer is operated. Now, the stream layer, basically it operates on continuous media streams as well as groups of media streams. In a group, all streams are presented in parallel by using mechanism for inter-stream synchronizations, right? The abstraction offered by the stream layer is the notion of streams with timing parameters concerning the quality of service for inter-stream synchronization in a stream and inter-stream synchronization between stream of a groups. Continuous media is seen in the stream layer as a data flow with implicit time constraints. Individual LUs are not visible. The streams are executed in a real-time environment. You can say RTE, where all processing is constrained by well-defined time specifications. The next layer is object layer. The object layer operates on all types of media and hides the differences between discrete and continuous media. The abstraction offered to the application is that of a complete synchronized presentation. This layer takes a synchronization specification as input and is responsible for the correct schedule of the overall presentation. The task of this layer is to close the gap between the needs for the execution of a synchronized presentation and the stream-oriented service. The function located at the object layer are to compute and execute complete presentation schedules that include the presentation of the non-continuous media objects and the calls to the stream layer. Next, the specification layer. It is an open layer. It does not offer an explicit interface. This layer contains applications and tools that are allowed to create synchronization specification. Such tools are synchronization editors, multimedia documents editors, and authoring systems, right? Also located at the specification layers are tools for converting specification to an object layer format. The specification layer is also responsible for mapping quality of service requirements of the user level to the qualities offered at the object layer interface. Synchronization specification methods can be classified into the following main categories. Here we can see four categories are there. Number one, interval based specifications. which allow the specification of temporal relations between the time intervals of the presentations of media objects, right? Second, which relate presentation events to access that are shared by the objects of the presentation. Third one is control flow based specification. Basically, it is at given present synchronization points, the flow of presentations is synchronized. Last one is event based specifications, in which events in the presentation of a media trigger presentation actions. These are all specification, synchronization specification of the specification layer. These are the reference model and 4 layers are there, right? Thank you, students.